Hello, this is General Science Practical and Supplementary exercise for grade 7. I am Manya Zawal. This is chapter 6. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Which shape best describes Earth? A. Sphere, B. Oval, C. Oblate spheroid, D. Rectangle. The answer is oblate spheroid, because Earth is slightly flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator, making it an oblate spheroid. Question number 2. Why is Earth not a perfect sphere? A. It has no magnetic field. B. It bulges at the equator. C. It has mountains and valleys. D. It's covered mostly in water. The answer is it bulges at the equator. Earth's rotation causes it to bulge slightly at the equator. Question number 3. Where is Earth's diameter the largest? A. At the equator. B. At the poles. C. Between the hemispheres. D. Across the core. The answer will be at the equator, because due to Earth's shape as an oblate spheroid, the equatorial diameter is larger than the polar diameter. Question number 4. Which statement about Earth's shape is true? A. Earth is shaped like a perfect circle. B. Earth is a cube. C. Earth is an oblate spheroid. D. Earth is a pyramid. The answer is Earth is an oblate spheroid. Earth's shape is slightly flattened at the poles, which makes it an oblate spheroid. Question number 5. What effect does Earth's shape have on its gravity? A. Gravity is weaker at the equator than at the poles. B. Gravity is equal everywhere on Earth. C. Gravity is weaker at the poles than at the equator. D. Gravity is only present at the poles. The answer is gravity is weaker at the equator than at the poles. This is because the bulging equator causes a slight decrease in gravity due to the greater distance from Earth's center. Question number 6. Which observation is evidence that Earth is round? A. Mountains have different heights. B. The sun appears larger in the morning. C. Ships disappear from bottom to top over the horizon. D. Stars change positions in the night sky. The answer will be ships disappear from bottom to top over the horizon. As ships move away, they disappear from the bottom up, showing Earth's curvature. Question number 7. What evidence from a lunar eclipse shows Earth's shape? A. The moon turns red. B. Earth's shadow on the moon is curved. C. The sun is blocked by the moon. D. The moon appears larger. The answer is Earth's shadow on the moon is curved. A curved shadow during a lunar eclipse indicates Earth's round shape. Question number 8. Why can we not see all parts of Earth from any location? A. The Earth is a cube. B. The Earth's surface is curved. C. The atmosphere blocks parts of Earth. D. The sun only lights half of Earth. The answer will be the Earth's surface is curved. Because of the Earth's curvature, we cannot see beyond the horizon from a single location. Question number 9. Why do stars change position throughout the night? A. Earth rotates on its axis. B. The stars are moving away from Earth. C. The moon changes positions. D. Earth's shape is irregular. The answer will be Earth rotates on its axis. The rotation of Earth makes it appear as though stars move across the sky. Question number 10. Which evidence did ancient Greeks use to prove Earth's shape? A. The appearance of stars. B. Shadows cast by objects at different locations. C. The moon's phase. D. Ocean waves. The answer will be shadows cast by objects at different locations. Greeks observed that shadows cast by sticks at different latitudes varied in lengths, indicating Earth's. Question number 11. What is Earth's approximate circumference at the equator? A. 30,000 km. B. 40,000 km. C. 50,000 km. D. 60,000 km. The answer will be 40,000 kilometers. The Earth's equatorial circumference is approximately 40,000 kilometers. Question number 12. What is Earth's polar diameter? A. 12,500 km. B. 12,700 km. C. 13,000 km. D. 15,000 km. The answer will be 12,700 km. The Earth's polar diameter is around 12,700 km, slightly smaller than its equatorial diameter. Question number 13. Why is Earth's equatorial circumference slightly larger than its polar circumference? A. Because Earth is tilted. B. Because Earth bulges at the equator due to rotation. C. Because Earth is closer to the Sun at the equator. D. Because Earth has mountains at the equator. The answer is because Earth bulges at the equator due to rotation. Earth's rotation causes it to bulge at the equator, making the equatorial circumference larger. Question number 14. Which angular distance divides Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres? A. The Tropic of Cancer. B. The prime meridian. C. The equator. D. The Tropic of Capricorn. The answer will be the equator. The equator divides Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres. Question number 15. How many kilometers is the Earth's diameter across the equator? A. 10,000 kilometers. B. 12,756 kilometers. C. 15,000 kilometers. D. 18,000 kilometers. The answer will be 12,756 kilometers. Earth's equatorial diameter is approximately 12,756 kilometers, making it smaller than the polar diameter. Question number 16. Which is the correct order of Earth's layers from the outermost to innermost? A. Crust, mantle, core. B. Core, mantle, crust. C. Mantle, crust, core. D. Crust, core, mantle. The answer is crust, mantle, core. Earth is composed of the crust, which is the outer layer, the mantle, the middle layer, and the core, the innermost layer. Question number 17. Which layer of Earth is mostly liquid? A. Crust. B. Mantle. C. Outer core. D. Inner core. The answer is outer core. The outer core is liquid, while the inner core is solid due to immense pressure. Question number 18. What is the thickest layer of Earth? A. Crust. B. Mantle. C. Outer core. D. Inner core. The answer is mantle. The mantle is the thickest layer, making up about 84% of Earth's volume. Question number 19. What materials primarily make up the Earth's core? A. Silicon and oxygen. B. Nickel and iron. C. Carbon and hydrogen. D. Aluminum and copper. The answer will be nickel and iron. The core is primarily composed of nickel and iron, contributing to Earth's magnetic field. Question number 20. Which layer is part of both the lithosphere and the crust? A. Mantle, B. Outer core, C. Inner core, D. Crust. The answer is crust, because the lithosphere includes both the crust and the uppermost portion of the mantle. Question number 21. How long does it take for Earth to complete one rotation? A. 24 hours, B. 365 days, C. 1 hour, D. 30 days. The answer will be 24 hours. Earth rotates on its axis once every 24 hours, causing day and night. Question number 22. What causes seasons on Earth? A. Earth's rotation, B. Earth's tilt and revolution around the Sun, C. Earth's core temperature, D. The phase of the Moon. The answer will be Earth's tilt and revolution around the Sun. Earth's tilt and its orbit around the Sun causes variations in sunlighting seasons. Question number 23. Which motion of Earth is responsible for day and night? A. Revolution, B. Rotation, C. Orbit, D. Tilt. The answer is rotation. Earth's rotation causes different parts of Earth to face the Sun, leading to day and night. Question number 24. How long does it take for Earth to complete one revolution around the Sun? A. 24 hours, B. 365 days, C. 30 days, D. 12 hours. The answer will be 365 days. Earth completes a full revolution around the Sun in approximately 365 days, which is 1 year. Question number 25. What direction does Earth rotate? A. East to west, B. West to east, C. North to south, D. South to north. The answer is west to east. Earth rotates from west to east, which is why the Sun appears to rise in the east. Question number 26. What effect does Earth's rotation have on the planet? A. Causes seasons, B. Causes day and night, C. Changes Earth's tilt, D. Creates mountains. The answer will be it causes day and night. As Earth rotates, parts of the planet alternate between facing the sun or day and facing away, which is night. Question number 27. How does Earth's revolution around the sun affect the climate? A. It causes day and night. B. It changes the distance to the moon. C. It leads to seasonal changes. D. It creates high and low tides. The answer will be it leads to seasonal changes. Earth's revolution and axial tilt result in different parts of Earth receiving sunlight, causing seasons. Question number 28. Which effect is the result of Earth's axial tilt? A. Day and night. B. Lunar phase. C. Seasonal variations. D. The magnetic field. The answer will be seasonal variations. Earth's axial tilt causes sunlight to strike at different angles throughout the year, creating seasons. Question number 29. What causes the length of a day to be 24 hours? A. Earth's orbit around the sun. B. Earth's distance from the sun. C. Earth's rotation on its axis. D. Earth's tilt. The answer will be Earth's rotation on its axis. A full rotation of Earth on its axis takes about 24 hours, creating the length of one day. Question number 30. Why do we have leap years? A. Earth's rotation slows down over time. B. Earth's years is not exactly 365 days. C. Earth is tilted on its axis. D. The moon's orbit affects Earth. The answer will be Earth's year is not exactly 365 days. Earth's revolution around the sun takes about 365.25 days. So we add an extra day every 4 years to keep the calendar accurate. Question number 31. What shape should a model of Earth ideally represent? A. Perfect sphere. B. Flat map. C. Oblate spheroid. D. Cone. The answer will be oblate spheroid. A model of Earth should represent its true shape, an oblate spheroid, to reflect its bulging equator and flattened poles. Question number 32. What part of Earth should be shown on a simple physical model? A. Only the oceans. B. Continents, oceans and poles. C. Only the poles. D. Only the continents. The answer will be continents, oceans and poles. A physical model should represent Earth's major surface features, including continents and the poles. Question number 33. When creating a model of Earth, which features is essential to include? A. Earth's mountains in detail. B. The tilt of Earth's axis. C. Exact population locations. D. Underground water system. The answer will be the tilt of Earth's axis. The tilt of Earth's axis is essential to understanding seasons and should be included in a model. Question number 34. How should the equator be represented on a model of Earth? A. As a line around the middle of the model. B. Only as a dot at the center. C. Not shown at all. D. As a line across one pole. The answer will be as a line around the middle of the model. Because the equator should be as a line that divides the northern and southern hemispheres. Question number 35. Why is it helpful to use globes to study Earth? A. They are smaller than maps. B. They show the true shape and relative size of continents and oceans. C. They only show the equator. D. They only display land mass. The answer will be they show the true shape and relative sizes of continents and oceans. Globes provide more accurate representation of Earth's shape, size and features than flat maps. Question number 36. What is the first step in the scientific method? A. Making a hypothesis. B. Performing an experiment. C. Making observations. D. Analyzing data. The answer will be making observations. Scientific investigations begin with observing a phenomena or problem, which then leads to asking questions and forming hypotheses. Question number 37. What is a hypothesis? A. A proven scientific law. B. A testable prediction. C. A detailed observation. D. A random guess. The answer will be a testable prediction. A hypothesis is a prediction made based on observations which can then be tested through experiments. Question number 38. Which skill involves organizing data into charts and graphs? A. Observation. B. Hypothesis formation. C. Analysis. D. Prediction. The answer will be analysis. Analysis includes interpreting data by organizing it into tables, charts, or graphs to understand trends and patterns. Question number 39. Why is repeating an experiment important in science? A. To check for consistency and reliability of results. B. To find new variables. C. To make the experiment more interesting. D. To make it harder to understand. The answer will be to check for consistency and reliability of results. Repetition helps confirm the reliability and accuracy of scientific findings by minimizing errors. Question number 40. Which science process skill involves making an educated guess about the outcomes of an experiment? A. Observing. B. Hypothesizing. C. Predicting. D. Concluding. The answer will be predicting. Prediction involves forecasting what might happen in an experiment based on observations and knowledge. Question number 41. Which of the following describes the lithosphere? A. The layer of gases surrounding Earth. B. The solid outer layer of Earth. C. The layer containing water bodies. D. The layer of living organisms. The answer will be the solid outer layer of Earth. The lithosphere is the outermost solid layer, including the crust and upper mantle. Question number 42. How does the hydrosphere interact with the atmosphere? A. By forming clouds and precipitation. B. By eroding the Earth's crust. C. By supporting animal life. D. By creating minerals. The answer will be by forming clouds and precipitation. Water from the hydrosphere evaporates into the atmosphere, forming clouds and precipitation. Question number 43. Which sphere includes all living organisms on Earth? A. Atmosphere. B. Lithosphere. C. Biosphere. D. Hydrosphere. The answer will be biosphere. The biosphere encompasses all life on Earth, including plants, animals, and microorganisms. Question number 44. What happens when water from the hydrosphere seeps into the lithosphere? A. It evaporates immediately. B. It contributes to soil moisture and groundwater. C. It disappears. D. It only supports plant growth. The answer will be it contributes to soil moisture and groundwater. Water seeps into the soil, becoming part of the groundwater system, which supports ecosystems and human activities. Question number 45. How does the biosphere interact with the atmosphere? A. By creating mountains. B. By photosynthesis, which produce oxygen. C. By forming new land. D. By changing the color of oceans. The answer will be by photosynthesis, which produces oxygen. Plants in the biosphere absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen through photosynthesis. Question number 46. In which part of the water cycle does water change from liquid to gas? A. Precipitation. B. Condensation. C. Evaporation. D. Collection. The answer will be evaporation, because during evaporation water changes from a liquid to a gaseous state, usually due to the heat from the sun. Question number 47. What process releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere? A. Photosynthesis. B. Respiration. C. Condensation. And D. Evaporation. The answer will be respiration, because during respiration organisms release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere as they break down food for energy. Question number 48. Which part of the water cycle involves water vapor cooling and forming clouds? A. Evaporation. B. Precipitation. C. Condensation. D. Collection. The answer will be condensation, because in condensation water vapor cools and changes back into liquid form, creating clouds. Question number 49. Which of the following process removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere? A. Photosynthesis. B. Burning fossil fuels. C. Erosion. D. Respiration. The answer will be photosynthesis, because plants absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, reducing its amount in the atmosphere. Question number 50. What happens to water after it falls as precipitation? A. It only goes to rivers. B. It can flow into lakes, rivers, and oceans or infiltrate the ground. C. It disappears completely. D. It stays in the clouds. The answer will be it can flow into lakes, rivers, and oceans or infiltrate the ground. After precipitation, water collects in various bodies of water or infiltrate the soil to replenish groundwater. Dear viewers and listeners of this YouTube channel, this is all chapter 6. See you in chapter 7. If you have any question or comment, you are welcome. Thank you very much.